What it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy Colin, Life is Thurm, checking in with you guys, man, with another video today, man. You see, we still out here in Chi-Town, man, Chicago, checking to see what it do, man, out this way. So we still having a good time. They pulling cars in and out. We got the dunk right there, man. So today gonna be a good video, man. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel, join the family, join the Life is Thurm gang, Thurm Cat gang, because we only dropping bangers all 2021, man. So let me go ahead and get y'all tuned in with what's going on here. We actually got a boat right here, guys. I'm not sure what's going on here, but we about to get this boat on the channel because it looks pretty sick. Okay, guys, and as you can see, we still got the badonkadonk right there, man. And we got CJ 32's, his C8 Corvette right here, crazy paint job. We got my boy AO Whips in the house. We got the Thurm Cat. We got vlogging with Angie and kids. And we got Swervo 2 times, my bad. And then we got the real Swervo 2 times right there. And we just check and see what's going on, man.
Got a boat right here. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, a boat, guys. A whole boat.
You about to take it out on the water?
Oh, we just got done.
Oh, okay. Hell yeah. Nice boat, guys. Guys, there's CJ's Corvette. We got Swervo in the front. And we got everybody else.
Several months later.
Angie swerving. I told you.
Remember that one day when they tried to put that police tried to pull CJ over? That day was funny.
Did you gas station?
Oh yeah, he was.
Trying to help put his seatbelt on.
Oh man.
That car, no. It was a Honda, so the Honda rented engine. So they thought that it was CJ that rented.
Oh, okay,
so
okay.
They got behind us.
You're right.
I'm like, you know what?
That's lame. That's lame though.
Like,
right?
They couldn't. Hey, the police just gave up at that
Yeah.
point. It's funny as
I
hell.
thought that was the time we had pulled at the gas station. Remember that one time we all pulled at the gas station?
Man, don't nobody remember that shit but you.
Yeah, guys, man, you see what's going on, man. We got the Thurm Cat in the building, man. We got my boy Ayo West right there, man. We got Swervo 2 times right there. We got CJ on 32s right there. And we got Tunchi in the building. We got Angie. And we got the real Swervo in the building, man. We all over here chilling, man. What's your channel, bro? What's your channel? Okay, okay. Yes, subscribe to my dude, man. Yes, sir. Oh man, that look good. We had some of that last night. So what material is this? Ostrich and gator. Yeah, it's crazy. Ah, I bet. Sheesh. Was it?
Yeah, carpet.
Jeez.
Beige, carpet all black. I had to do everything.
Okay. Oh yeah, you went in on this, bro. For sure. It's clean. Yes, sir. Definitely went in. It's different, man.
Yeah, I was trying to be.
Yeah, for sure. That's it's crazy. I like this, man. And it's the drop too. Okay then. Okay then. Yes, sir. And you on the Ruchis, y'all. Y'all see it with the orange accents. Yes, sir. What size is them? 22s? Okay, okay. They ain't looking good.
Little head out here smell like Taco Bell.
Tearing it up, man. You know. He out here, man.
Hey, what?
Oh!
He called me earlier.
Yes, sir.
Man, you ain't even called me back. We called you.
Woo!
We like, hey, cut your wagon.
Man.
Mine out in the wagon. Chop it. I
Jeez.
seen in the background. I'm like, hold on.
Yeah.
Y'all can't miss this part.
Yeah, for sure. It is, for sure. I love it. Sheesh. Got the green calipers? Definitely, definitely. Jeez. Match steering wheel, guys. Big lip in the back. Definitely Savini. It looked like Savini wheels, correct me if I'm wrong. But this is what's crazy with this whip, man. The music in the back is crazy. Definitely crazy music. A lot of money worth of music just in that trunk, guys. Along with the wheels and it being an old school, it's a crazy build. Guys, let me know what you think about the wagon in the comment section below, man. This thing is crazy. This thing is definitely crazy. Yeah, you fuck with it? Yes, sir.
Bro,
yes,
it hit different in person.
It definitely do. Definitely. Definitely, guys.
Hey, CJ don't know what's his own car.
CJ sliding the wagon. Yes, sir. Yeah, for real. Bro, that's a head turner right there, boy. Sheesh.
Hey, we going to Cal? Where we going? Rick, where we going, bro?
Jeez, guys.
This beef is never ends.
This one's real, man.
This is no, it's me. Little cap. Come on, man.
Oh,
Cap, big cap. Angie, who the real swerve on?
Real.
Money Rich.
oh.
We got this guy on the track.
Yeah.
That's the way. Listen, this is the way we're gonna sell it. It's on the track.
I don't know, man.
For the name.
Right.
Don't be close.
For the real
Right.
name.
Nah, you still gonna be a little
I'm gonna be happy though. I'm gonna be happy.
You still gonna be a little swerve.
That's my brother, though. That's my brother, man.
You
That's my
gonna
brother,
be
though.
skid
That's my
mark in
brother.
the back.
Hey, CJ, you see the Mopars stay together? You see the Mopars down there stay together? Ah, stop playing. Stop playing. Oh, man.
Cap.
Right down the street.
sheesh, guys. All right, man. What car you got, first of all?
Me?
Yeah.
Over here in the Dodge Charger. The
Okay.
gray one,
Okay, okay.
2014. Just the RT though. It ain't nothing.
Oh, you,
special.
hey, gang, y'all know I started with the RT, so nothing against RTs, for sure. For sure. Okay, then.
Just basic little upgrades, you know what I'm saying? Wheels, tires, and
I see the LED in the front.
yeah, got the light and trans light down there.
Okay, okay. Hell yeah.
It's dope.
Yeah, it's nice.
Lux Auto concept with the headlight tint.
Oh, you do got headlights in
Yeah.
on there.
Barely noticeable, but it looks, you know, when you do notice it, you know what I'm saying?
Right, right. Hell yeah.
Just decal, nice little sunroof flag.
Okay, okay.
Lux Auto concept. Right here.
Yes, sir. Subscribe to my dude right there. Instagram and YouTube, guys. Follow him on both socials.
Straight pipe from the cat back. No resonators, no mufflers.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
Loud as all hell.
Oh yeah.
That's all right.
Hey, you know we straight pipe gang over here, cause I ain't got no cats, no resonators, no mufflers, no nothing.
Yeah, well, I know you loud.
Yeah, super loud.
Clean, dog.
Oh yeah, I like him. What's the channel?
Oh, AB in that AB underscore in that thing.
Okay.
INDAGTHANG.
Okay, guys, y'all saw it on his rear window right there, man. Subscribe to my dude. Them 4Gs hard. I like them. I like them a lot. And in them back-to-back wide body things, y'all. Yeah, Ford, yes, sir. Okay, gang, man. And so you guys saw some swerve footage, man. Us linking with CJ32s and taking that drive, man. Linking up with some other YouTubers, a ton of other YouTubers, a ton of other cars, man. And yeah, so we're about to pull up here to the clubhouse, man. So we're gonna see the whole fleet of CJ32's cars, man. That's what we're about to do. That's what we're about to see. So that will be a whole new video, man. Y'all gotta stay tuned. Y'all gotta smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss this video. We're gonna see all his other cars, man. So y'all definitely stay tuned for this. And man, that's all I gotta say, man. And this has been a crazy day so far. So definitely stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. A lot going on here. And man, shout out Chicago, shout out CJ32s, man. This shit has been lit. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Peace.